Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I am Maahi. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys the 3 cheap and simple Ikea product hacks. I'm so excited because it's honestly one of my favorite video to do. So to this first project, I'm using freaking a 3-piece basket set into a wall mounted plant holders. So what do you think guys? I think the baskets are looking amazing. So this second project I'm using Pico, and then I remove all the leaves. So for my last project, I'm using papaya. First, just fill up with water a large plastic container and spraying. So the closer you are to the water when you spray, the more of the marble effect you get. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hello.